Into the Mid-America Science Museum we go. Looks like on the way in to the Science Center, we are greeted by a bunch of dinosaurs. Allison, what were you doing to a T-Rex?
He just twisted his head out. We were twerking at him.
Twerking.
Did you see him?
Oh, he roars at you.
He moved his eyes and his head. I think he did want to look at my butt. Because his head was over here, and then I was twerking at him, and then he moved over here.
Oh yeah? Looks like we crossed over this pretty nice little creek here.
Yeah, we gotta hurry up, because we only have 3 hours.
As it pour in the sand, you can like almost create your own photo.
Yeah,
What the sand looks like.
No, you're supposed to watch it.
What's it say?
Okay,
Okay, now watch
cover the hold of your finger and pull it to the arrow. Where's the arrow at?
Rainbow.
Right here, and then you let it go.
What is it doing? It's not really coming out.
It's making a design.
It's not coming out. Okay, now let me do you. Let me do you. Okay, ready? I'm not going to the small one.
It was designed for the movie Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. Now here's a carpet sweeper designed for the movie Chitty Chitty Bang Bang.
Oh, that is really cool.
If you stop it, it looks like Momo.
Because if you look, nothing. And boom. There's an old mastodon. Mommies,
What?
does this mean that we're hot?
I don't know what it means.
Take me to the moon.
Fly me to the moon.
Oh yeah.
Today we are actually gonna fill this. And guess what? Oh, it's freezing!
And it looks like when you go outside, you can go to a dino trek or a nature walk dino dig. So you come over here.
Oh, really?
Here, Gracie, can you walk down there with us?
Yeah. Yeah. Go. You're supposed to go the other way. All the chairs and then walk through.
Oh man. Let's take a walk across the road bridge. Oh man. Don't look down, everybody. Don't look down. Oh no. This was a bad idea. Oh god.
Come on, let's go.
This was a bad idea. Oh.
Yeah, so you want to go back to the water table?
They made it to the center, Elsie. Don't be jumping. Old jumpy wumpy.
I'm not scared. Now we have to go down here.
Yeah, you gotta go this way.
Nate, you go first.
Oh man.
I do. Come over this side.
Oh, this is scary.
It is not 25 minutes down the road, Jeff. You would need like 30 kids.
Where are we going?
Mommy!
Eat some food.
Mommy! Elsie, Jane. Mommy. Huh. Oh, because they're not touching. And with that, we are done here at the Mid-America Science Museum here in Hot Springs, Arkansas. We're going to end on here with a little bit of a little dinosaur, little raptor shot here. Look at this little guy. I hope this was a pretty good video for you guys. Please like, subscribe, and all that good stuff.